here. Today we're at Disney Springs.
It's windy.
A little bit windy. Person's gonna blow away here in a second. Hopefully, she's getting blown away with some good food. But we'll see. We're headed to Splitsville. Bowling alley, serve food apparently. Good food, so I hear. So we're going to check it out and see if they have any plant-based options that we can rave about or not. So we will see you soon.
Be sure to knock down pins.
You heard the girl.
Agave straw. This is my jam. Like, everybody should have these. I made a mistake. This Long Island is strong. This is a slow sipper. Definitely a slow sipper. Bad decisions were made, but I commit to my mistakes.
Really wasn't expecting them to bring us the bottom half of a bowling pin, but I suppose I should have expected it at the very least. I've drank a lot of Long Islands in my life. I've regretted most of them. This is a mistake. But not from ordering it. It tastes off. 1.5 out of 5 glass.
I gotta try this thing. I haven't had a Long Island in a little bit, so we'll see. Tastes like lemonade.
You like it. Of
I
course
love
you
that.
Like it.
5 glass right there.
Oh my god. I can do this.
It's National Drink Margarita Day, so I just had to, and it's a really cute cup. It's a good margarita. 4.5 out of 5.
That good, huh?
Blueberry lemonade, because bears always have to have lemonade. This tastes like a vitamin water.
Oh wow.
I like this a lot. Maybe we should switch.
And yes, real men drink lemonade. That's what the doctor ordered. 3.5 out of 5 plus.
I got a vegetable roll. I was feeling sushi-y. It looks like cucumber, avocado, carrot, asparagus, and lettuce. I never understand why they put lettuce in sushi roll when there's already seaweed on it. It's like 2 lettuces, kind of. Ah! The seaweed is so chewy. It's hard to eat. I already don't like seaweed. It's a little hard. Is it the best sushi I've had on property? No. Best sushi is still gonna be Tokyo Dining. But this isn't bad. I might get this again. Probably wouldn't be on the top of my list, but I would get it again. There's no mango.
Kind of weirded out because there's tomatoes in this. Tomatoes in sushi just seems wrong in some way. But I'm always up for new things. It almost feels like a BLT, but with rice instead of bacon. An RLT. 2.5 out of 5 plus. Not bad, but not great.
Going to Splitsville, the bowling alley. But got sushi. This is the Ninja Crunch that has, I think it's like a California with tempura on top with salmon. I love salmon. The spicy mayo makes it so good. 5 out of 5.
I got the Impossible Burger, and I didn't know they would put cheese on it, so unfortunately Princess can't try it, but I can. Let's dig into this bad boy. It's really cooked well.
Looks like
Juicy.
it is too.
I'd say it's actually better than the Burger King one. I like the amount of veggies they have on top of it. Surprising for me. And of course it comes with regular old French fries.
Your typical fries.
Salty. Typical.
Oh, never
Pretty
give
good.
ketchup the same.
Definitely 5 plus, for sure.
Had a chicken sandwich. Topped with bacon, apparently.
Nope.
Some sort of jack cheese. Pickle fries. Standard bland flyer, nothing special. 2 out of 5 plus. Alright, from the chicken sandwich. There's a nice char to it. Bun is a bit soggy. A bit of a big bite. The chicken is moist, but like on that edge of almost being too dry. The char is good and it works with the bacon. The lettuce and tomato don't really add anything. It's a standard chicken sandwich. Nothing really special about it. But if you're hungry, it's a bowling alley. It'll get the job done. 2.5 out of 5 plus. Hello everybody, Princess the Bear here, and we just finished at Splitsville. So, thoughts?
It was alright.
It's good sushi. It's a good kind of like we do. If we go there, we're about to go home. So, good quick dinner. Good, prices.
Definitely a good place to go, especially upstairs by the window. You get to see all the people, you get to see the construction which is going on behind us. And it's just a good way to end your day before you go home, or a long ride anyway.
Which is what we're doing.
Yeah.
I would compare it to a Disney version of TGI Fridays, basically.
Yeah,
With more personality.
Yeah.
agreed.
But it's got a nice atmosphere, plenty to drink. The food isn't gonna blow your mind, but it's gonna satisfy without breaking your wallet. And there's something to be said for that, especially at Disney. I would definitely recommend, if you got the time, you're Disney Springs, you know deep, they're probably gonna have something you like. So, if you guys have been there, let us know what you think about in the comments. If there's anything else at Disney Springs you'd like us to do, you know where to tell us. Hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
Actually, we can't switch. Whatever. I'll deal with it.